Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Tottenham cake. Let's begin. To start on the cake, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter and your granulated sugar and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier and well combined. Once the mixture is lighter and fluffier, you can then give it a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla, roughly 1 egg at a time, beating well in between each addition. By the time all of the eggs are incorporated, the mixture will be looser in consistency, and this is completely normal. You can then go ahead and give the bowl another good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Now you can add in the dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may be in the dry mix. Once you've got that sifted in, you can then start to mix the flour in on a low speed, working you up to a medium high, adding milk in just to help with the consistency of the cake batter. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a final scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then pour the batter into your lined 9x13 inch cake tin, spreading it out to get it as level as possible. You will then want to place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. All of that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to go and check that out if you're interested in making it. So to make the icing, you'll want to grab yourself a small or medium bowl and pour in the icing sugar along with the milk and the seedless raspberry jam, and then start to mix it until it all starts to incorporate. You may need to add more liquid, or you may need to add more icing sugar just until you get that perfect spreadable but thick enough consistency that it holds its shape. Then you can pour it directly over your cake. Make sure the cake is fully baked and cooled down before you do that. Again, just spread it out until it's all level as possible, and it should find its own place flowing here and there, which is perfect. Place it in the fridge for about an hour or so just to firm up. Once it's firmed up, you can then cut it. As you can tell, when I took mine out of the tray, it wrinkles up in the middle, but don't worry, it doesn't affect how it tastes, just how it looks. Cut it into your portions. I got 12 portions, but you may be able to get more if you half those portions again, so you'll be able to get 24, but again, it's completely up to you and how you cut it. So here is what the cake looks like once it's fully baked, cooled and decorated. You've got a simple vanilla flavoured sponge topped with some raspberry pink icing. What more could you ask for? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of the video. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and all of my social media, so don't forget to go and check them out. But that's all for today. Bye guys.